Here are the best 3 vibrations pads for washing machine in 2025. Links are given below. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. The anti-vibration pads for washing machines are designed to mitigate excessive noise and vibration that often comes with heavy-duty laundry appliances, making them an essential accessory for households seeking a quieter environment. With their non-slip rubber construction, these pads effectively absorb vibrations, ensuring the washing machine remains stable during operation. Key features include a patented design that promotes enhanced stability and significantly reduces the risk of skidding, protecting both the appliance and the floor underneath. Users have reported marked improvements in performance, with the pads successfully minimizing disturbances during high spin cycles, making a noticeable difference in real-world scenarios, especially in apartments or smaller living spaces where noise is a concern. Quality and durability seem to be on point. The pads are robust and built to withstand the repeated strain of washing machines, providing excellent longevity. Installation is a breeze as they require no extra tools, simply affixing the pads under the machine's feet. When compared to a competitor's product, such as the VibeAway anti-vibration pads, the anti-vibration pads provide better noise reduction and a more user-friendly design, favoring those who prioritize ease of use and effectiveness. While VibeAway offers similar stability, users favored the grip and cushioning of the anti-vibration pads. Overall, these pads represent good value for money, considering their performance relative to mid-range alternatives, making them a solid investment, particularly for families or individuals with sensitive noise requirements. I would recommend the anti-vibration pads for anyone looking to enhance the operational experience of their washing machine, particularly those living in shared spaces or small residences where quiet operation is paramount. The anti-vibration pads for washing machines with strong adsorption suction cups are designed to mitigate the excessive vibrations and noise that often accompany washing machine operation, enhancing the overall laundry experience. These pads feature a robust suction cup design that securely adheres to various flooring surfaces, providing stability during cycles while effectively dampening vibrations. Performance-wise, they excel in minimizing movement, making them a particularly great choice for homes with sensitive flooring or in multi-story dwellings, where disturbances can be a concern. The build quality is commendable. Made from durable rubber, the pads exhibit resilience to wear and tear, ensuring longevity. Additionally, their ease of use stands out. Installation is straightforward, requiring no tools or complicated processes, allowing users to quickly place them under appliances. In comparison to competitors like the VibraBlast pads, these suction cup pads demonstrate superior adherence, reducing the likelihood of slippage, while VibraBlast pads generally focus on a static foam design. However, the anti-vibration pads may lack the heft of some heavier foam alternatives, which can sometimes provide slightly greater vibration dampening in very large machines. Real-life scenarios show that users experience less noise during operation, ultimately enhancing comfort in the living space. When considering the price point, these pads offer excellent value for money compared to similar products in the market, particularly for those looking to reduce disturbances without investing in noise-canceling solutions. In conclusion, households with front-load washers, particularly in shared living environments, would benefit tremendously from this product. I would recommend the 8 pieces shock and noise-canceling washing machine support pads are a thoughtful solution for anyone plagued by the annoying vibrations and noise generated by their washing machines during operation. Designed to effectively reduce noise and stabilize appliances, these anti-slip, anti-vibration rubber pads feature a robust build that withstands heavy loads while ensuring superior shock absorption. Users benefit from their straightforward installation process, requiring no special tools, making it easy to set up in real-life scenarios. In terms of performance, these pads significantly minimize the vibrations that usually lead to rattling appliances, proving effective in both top-loading and front-loading machines. Compared to competitors like the VibraPay, which offers similar features but tends to be pricier, these washing machine support pads deliver excellent value for money, providing durability without breaking the bank. Unique design aspects include their textured surface for added grip and a universal fit that accommodates various washing machine types and sizes. Customers have reported a noticeable reduction in noise levels, making laundry time more peaceful and less disruptive, especially for those living in apartments or close quarters. In terms of quality, These pads are made from high-density rubber that can handle substantial weight while remaining resilient over time. Ultimately, these support pads are ideal for those who want to reduce appliance noise or protect their floors from vibrations and wear. I wholeheartedly recommend these washing machine support pads for their performance and affordability, as they exceed expectations in stabilizing appliances and improving the overall washing experience.